This is from Terry and Jen.
Open it. Open it.
Open it.
I don't I don't quite get it.
You're supposed to tear the paper. It's okay. No one will walk you around. Look.
Cousin will show you.
Just start tearing it.
He's watching it.
He is.
Ready?
What? I don't eat it?
No?
Ready? Ah, cool.
Sweet. What is that?
Is it good? It's one of those things you put in the water and it grows.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Love those.
Okay, Odie, you're gonna have to hold that up and then money. So
Oh,
I can take a picture for
I
Grandma.
mean,
Oh, Bella.
No, you're fine. I like the wrapping.
Get it. Get it. Don't interrupt. I am focused.
Oh,
No, you don't eat it.
well, that's what I do. I don't know about you.
What is that?
A magic towel.
Oh, yeah.
I love magic towels.
Cardboard.
It's my favorite flavor.
Billy, 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 Billy,
What do
Billy.
you want this?
Oh, yeah, I'll take that too.
That?